Hello. Hello again. I'm Dr. Harper, as you hopefully remember, good or bad. But this is a welcome video in Supply Chain Management, the AMBA 6271, Section 534, Spring 2022, Term 7. So this course will be built upon the operations course, but it's going to be very different. I'll use the operations as a foundation and start building upon it, but I'll lay a foundations on supply chain as well. So even though you're going to have quantitative information in this course, quantitative requirements, a lot of it's going to be definitional, concepts, strategies, and integration. If we bring up the syllabus, in the syllabus you can see down here, I start with an introduction and overview, and there's where a lot of definitions get laid out. But then I go into tactics and analyses. And there's where we get into the details. But then I move on to strategy and integration. Now, it's only a 5-week course. It's only 1.5 credits, so I don't go as deep as I would in a full 3-credit course, but I do lay a foundation that you can build upon. And then we have project presentations, which I always look forward to because I learn a lot from you guys. And then exam, which is for evaluation and to dot the I's and cross the T's. Okay, and there's only 3 homework assignments. But those 3 homework assignments have a lot in them, so start early. Therefore, if we bring up Canvas, if you notice what I do here in Canvas, whoops, go back to home. If I do here in Canvas, each one of these began Wednesday, April the 13th and April 20th, but I opened them up a week ahead of time so you can start looking and reading, researching, and notice they're just Word files and notes. There's not much on each one of those as far as explanation is concerned, but research. I've always said this, and I want to emphasize it. I think I'm going to start emphasizing it every course I have. The most important thing you can learn at a university is how to learn. And the only way to do that is to learn and start. And so every one of these topics, before, during, and after anything is taught, learn as much as you can about it. And so if you'll open this first one here, introduction, notice I have these are just notes, but you have topics, and you can Google these, you can research these before you come to class. And when you come to class, I'll lay my foundation of what I know, I'll listen from you, and then we can learn together. And then you have a homework after class, and then we come together. And then you have presentation. So the whole point of opening this a week early is to have my notes as a springboard to begin learning more about this material. This is different than operations because when you expand to the supply chain, things change. And there's implications, as we've seen in the news, there's implications in supply chain with domestic, for economic, for social, political, even internal affairs, and also external, international affairs, and political affairs. And so international politics. And so there's a lot of implications everywhere with supply chains. And supply chains are extremely important, not only for economics or operations, but also for countries and states. So between now and the next time I see you, I'm looking forward to this course. So between now and then, take care.